Namaskar, hello and welcome to CVR English. How are all of you doing today, especially amid the 21-day lockdown? So Bharat, you tell me, how are you faring amid this lockdown?
I'm feeling mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings, why?
It's like a bit like prison,
Prison, yeah,
Yes.
exactly, I can understand. This
So,
lockdown is creating
a
such
bit
a big problem
gloomy.
with not much to do.
Yeah.
Exactly, I can understand. Yes, yes. Mhm. So everybody is in a lockdown, and Bharat, what about you?
I'm feeling the same.
Yes, it's a 21-day lockdown for everybody. I'm sure that all of you are busy doing something or the other at home. Just like Mr. Bharat is busy doing something or the other at home. Can you please tell us what are you up to? What are your secret plans at
You
home
are
these
revealing
days?
my secrets.
That is my purpose. The purpose of doing this Sunday blast today is this, to reveal secrets from Mr. Bharat. What are you up to? Before we ask our lovely audience.
Since I got a very nice, interesting hobby of sleeping, so I can pass my time.
So, catching up on beauty sleep.
Yes.
Will you not ask me what I'm up to?
I think you have been researching for the next Sunday blast.
Absolutely correct, which I am. And everybody amid this 21-day lockdown is under what we can call technically a house arrest, isn't it?
Definitely.
It's a compulsory house arrest.
You can also take it this way, since the prisons will not be sufficient for all the people to.
So-called
they
culprits.
requested you think your home as a prison, lock yourself inside.
Are you trying to say that just like the nation right now is running short of medical supplies, we are also running
Definitely.
short of prisons?
Yes.
There's so many criminals in Hyderabad, are you trying to say?
No, recently some of the prisoners in Delhi are released or they are about to release. I don't know.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because of the
So, just to keep ourselves safe from these prisoners, it's better for us to go into our house arrest rather than
Definitely.
sending these prisoners back to the
Definitely.
prison.
Even the prisoners, if they are thieves and all, they'll be scared to go get into some other's home because of
Because of the coronavirus right now.
coronavirus.
Exactly. I think the coronavirus, apart from doing so many good things in the environment, jokes apart, they're telling that the pollution levels in our city have dropped drastically because now the people are not there on the roads
Yeah.
and there are no vehicles to be seen. So they are also telling us, and I saw this latest update at WION, that even the ozone layer of the atmosphere
yes,
is
I was
now
about to
beginning
say
to
that.
recover. Exactly.
Ozone layer saves us from UV rays.
I'm sure, Bharat, that just like us, I'm sure that all of you are also busy, definitely busy catching up on some movies right here, is it? Tell us in the comment section down below if you are busy watching movies. I'm sure that all of you are busy catching up on some movies or the other. And just like in the last episode, Bharat had told us that he is also very much into movies, being an actor himself.
Yes.
So, what kind of movies are you watching these days?
I'm watching mostly documentaries these days along with my friends.
Again, the good boy, the good studios type.
No, the scams.
Huh. But still, eventually, you're doing your research only on the coronavirus. Scams,
It's not research. I
conspiracy
watched some,
theories on
Exactly,
coronavirus. So, watching
conspiracy.
documentaries on
I
that.
recently got to know that the steam machines are helping the people who are feeling for that.
I'm sure they will help because, see, I will tell you, eventually, any kind of a medication which generally helps
Yeah.
in diseases like the common cold
Yeah.
and the influenza, the doctors are saying that the same types of medicines can also be purchased across the counter for the coronavirus because they eventually help to reduce the inflammation in the body
Yes.
and they also help in bringing down the temperature. So the same medications also help with this type of a virus infection also. Similarly, the steamers that you are talking about, the steam helps to unblock the nasal passages in this case
And
also.
also social distancing.
Social distancing as well, and just like we were talking about these criminals,
I maintain the distance.
uh, uh, Am I a criminal?
No, I'm just saying.
Do you think that I'm infected?
No,
Hello?
I'm just showing them how to social distance.
This is how we can maintain a social distancing. About 3 weeks ago, the government was talking about maintaining 3 feet distance,
Yes.
and now it has increased to more than 6 feet distance.
Oh.
And they are saying that even 6 feet distance at this stage of the infection is not sufficient
It's actually
to
a droplet
reduce the
infection,
infection.
right? It's actually a droplet
It
infection.
is a droplet infection, and according to the latest declaration by WHO, what they are telling us, the Director General of WHO has finally declared that the coronavirus is an airborne virus.
Okay.
Out of all the surfaces that it stays on, it can stay for the maximum amount of time in the air. But before we get into that research, I'm sure that all of you are busy catching up upon movies, like I was telling you, movies, popcorn and video games. So once again, before we start with our terrific third episode, let me welcome all of you once again to Sunday Blast. We have movies, popcorn and video games on our mind, and at the same time, technology is also helping us out. Technology is helping us out to maintain and make sure that our folks in Hyderabad at this time, I'm sure they're having a great time. From CVR English, live at Jubilee Hills once again, Sunday, March 29th, 2020. This is your dose
Sunday
of
Blast.
Sunday Blast, where we cover everything that's important, relevant to the current times, and also grabs your interest. This is Bharat,
This is Anu Kruti Sharma.
and let's get right to that very first breaking news of the last week, which was most definitely the coronavirus. Bharat, over to you.
Friends, hot updates at our CVR English studio are just revealing that India has just recorded the highest single day jump in COVID-19 cases, and now the total number of COVID-19 cases in India has reached a whopping 918, with 179 fresh cases being reported just yesterday on 28th of March. The highest single day increase so far, while the death toll rose to 19. According to the Union Health Ministry, latest data that is alarming, that allow that to sink in. Stay with us for the latest developments on this.
I am going to take time for that to sink in.
Deaths have also been constantly reported from different parts of India, leading the pack ones again in Maharashtra, where 5 casualties were reported yesterday. Gujarat has reported 3 deaths, Karnataka 2, Madhya Pradesh 2 and 1, each from Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Punjab, Delhi, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh.
But let me tell you, friends, there is a ray of hope, a piece of good news too this time, along with Sunday Blast, because medical professionals, acclaimed dietitians and nutritionists are now coming up with superfoods that can boost your immune system,
Yes.
which is the very first and the best line of defense against the coronavirus so far, Bharat. And the COVID-19 coronavirus is disrupting almost every aspect of our lives in India and across the world right now. As we face this daunting new challenge, it's important to access and bring to use every tool that we have in our arsenal to reduce these infections, deaths and suffering from this outbreak. So social distancing, hand washing and quarantine can actually help to flatten the curve, but what role can food and nutrition play?
Yes.
Well, let me tell you that apart from being a TV show host, I'm also a certified nutritionist, Mr. Bharat.
Wow.
And believe me, there is an important way in which diet can actually help us in solving this problem of the public health crisis. I'll tell you how, Bharat, and I'll tell everyone.
And
First of all, I'll come back to you.
Okay.
Higher intakes of specific nutrients appear to boost the immune system, while low intakes lead to less effective immune responses and higher susceptibility to infection. A stronger immune system in turn can help people to fight this virus and may help to keep some patients outside the hospital, leaving much more room for those who need that space in the hospital. Now, nutrients that may help the immune system include first and foremost vitamin C. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of this vitamin. Ladies and gentlemen, it works like a magical potion for your immune system. It revitalizes it, strengthens it, and keeps it in good shape all day long. Vitamin C is also known as a fresh food vitamin, which means that the shelf life is very small. It can be found only in fresh and raw foods. So think about fresh fruits and vegetables. You want to be eating more of these in order to get your daily necessary dose of vitamin C. especially as this vitamin cannot be stored in your body for a long time, and all the excess amount gets washed away pretty quickly and rapidly. So make sure that your body is getting its daily quota of vitamin C. Are you?
Yeah.
Next on the list, we have other micronutrients like zinc, selenium, iron, and other vitamins like A, D, E, B6, folic acid, with additional potentially promising effects of whole foods like goji berries, broccoli, green tea, ginger, cinnamon, and so many other things. Speaking of green tea,
What is that powder?
I've got my green tea right here, which Mr. Bharat does not want to share with me like the last episode. Remember, everybody? Everybody remembers. I'm sure you also remember.
I forgot actually. What is the color of that cup?
It was the yellow cup last time,
Oh,
but this time I've got my favorite red cup.
okay.
And by the way, you wanted to know what exactly this is.
I think
Friends,
This
for
is
the long
sand.
time,
Sand.
for the long time, his eyes have been on this dabba, and I have not been telling him what it exactly is. Now, I give you the chance. Make 3 guesses.
This is idli ka powder.
Idli powder, no, no such spice.
Sand.
Sand or mitti, soil, no.
No.
Kind of looks like that, so I give that credit
I
to you,
think
but
it's
no.
your beauty, that multani ki mitti something.
Hello. Do you think I will put that multani mitti into my green tea? Just because I was telling my viewers about green tea, I just
jaggery
remembered.
powder.
Yes, there you go. No,
See, you should not forget.
these days there is a special way of doing a high five.
Yes.
I'll tell you what.
Le-
That's it. So you can actually, the moment you feel good about something, you want to have a laugh with your friends, share the good moment with your friend, just go ahead with this only. Just clap for yourself, have a high five. Am I right, Bharat?
Yes.
So, talking of all these healthy foods, Bharat, I really believe that it's important to include a lot of fresh foods into our diet. By the way, what are you checking your phone for?
I'm
It's so irritating.
I'm typing TP is not coming.
Hello, you are kidding. You are playing some online video game, some kind of a
addicted
game.
To this game actually.
Can you tell us more about this game right now?
This game is
This
backgammon.
guy is completely on his phone 24/7.
I'm unable to get rid of it. This is backgammon. This is a Persian game.
What do you call it?
Backgammon.
Backgammon.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does it do? Is it like Candy Crush or something?
Yeah. This is different from that. It's
Can you
not
help
Candy
me?
Crush.
See, I'm not a tech geek at all, so please guide us again, because this is a lockdown period.
Yeah.
Everybody is shut down in their homes.
Yeah.
They're holed up in their homes.
Yeah.
It's a compulsory house arrest for everyone, and we need to figure out our own ways to make sure that we are
Yeah.
having a nice, interesting time at home instead of trying to kill each other,
You should start exploring new hobbies,
like backgammon,
backgammon, and working out.
watching new movies.
Yeah.
And now it is time to take a quick short break, and we will be back in just a few moments from now so that we can continue with the latest updates and gossip on entertainment and technology. Stay tuned to CVR English. Let's catch up after this short break.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to your dose of Sunday blast, and my cup is back to me, but let me tell you, we were fighting over this while the break was going on. So, yes, let's come back to that gizmo geeky stuff on your phone right
Google,
now.
right?
That game which you were playing.
This is a backgammon game. I left it that side.
Is there a way to download this game from somewhere so that our viewers can get more
Yeah,
information
you can
about
get
it?
From Play Store. It's a Persian game. It's really a fantastic game. It deals with numbers and all.
And just like Bharat was telling me, unlike Candy Crush, which you have to play by yourself, backgammon actually allows you to play with multiple players
All over
on
the
a
world.
digital level.
All over the world.
So, for example, I could have one friend in Dubai.
Hmm.
I'm
He might be.
specific.
He is also under lockdown.
I'm specifically mentioning Dubai so that Bharat will get scared again. Jokes apart, you can have your friends anywhere across the country or across the globe, and backgammon allows you to play with all of them together.
Add L to the end of your name so that you are under lockdown, so that you can get the same people who are under lockdown.
Absolutely, I can understand where we are headed now.
Yes.
So, we were talking about food and fresh foods and how we can help ourselves enhance our own health by going to our kitchens. Now, next on the list, see, after having spoken about vitamin C, which of course is very important, and you can always add vitamin C to your green tea as well, which I already have.
I don't know that.
Yeah, for green tea, you can add things like lemon, for vitamin C. You can also add crushed ginger.
Can we add to coffee also?
No, let's not do that. Let's not add lemon to coffee. Lemon is something which goes very well. The flavor of lemon goes very well with black tea and things like green tea. But now let's move on from vitamin C. Next on the list, we have other micronutrients, like we have other minerals. Minerals like zinc, selenium, iron, other vitamins like A, D, E, B6, folic acid. And these have very potentially promising effects on our bodies like goji berries, broccoli. We also have ginger, cinnamon and turmeric. Some of these nutrients may help you to relieve excess inflammation and tissue damage which is caused by this virus that can lead to severe lung injury and failure. However, having said that, it is still too early to know for sure what exact cocktail of nutrients works the best to counter the COVID-19 disease. But we do know for sure that several of these nutrients have shown a promising effect on common colds, influenza and other respiratory infections. With many restaurants shut down for now, take this opportunity to eat healthy foods at your home like citrus fruits, berries, broccoli, spinach, mushrooms. The list can just go on. You have so many different kinds of beans also which are rich in protein, vitamin B6, B12, dry fruits like almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts that give you essential fatty acids which are also necessary for maintaining overall health and a stronger immune system. Now let me tell you that the natural fats found in these dry fruits also have fat soluble vitamins which again in turn help you to boost your immunity. So that is a double whammy for you right there. Eat more of peanut butter. Bharat, do you like peanut butter?
Yeah, of course.
I absolutely love peanut butter. And when it comes to turmeric, because Bharat, you are living with your mom.
Yes.
I'm staying alone. But I'm sure your mother must be telling you time and again about the importance of turmeric. Ki beta, har ek
Yes.
cheez mein haldi dalo. She must be putting a lot of turmeric to your food also.
Yes.
So the same thing I want to tell everyone that people of Hyderabad, please start consuming more turmeric. Add turmeric to your cooked food and tea. These foods may be especially important to older adults who often eat less of these nutrients and hence they are more susceptible. They are more at risk of COVID-19 infections.
The more older you are, the less immune you have.
And the less immunity you have, and the same thing sadly can be said for the infants also and the
also.
very young children because they are still in the process of developing their immunity. And all the people in the age bracket of 20 to 40, let's say on an average, and healthy adults
Yeah.
who are not suffering from any other medical conditions, those are the ones who can actually pass through this phase relatively easily. They might show just very mild symptoms, or the scientists are saying now that they may not show any symptoms at all.
There are two types, symptomatic
Yeah.
and asymptomatic.
And that is why COVID-19 disease is becoming so difficult to control right now with the best technology. This is 2020 for God's sake.
Yeah.
And such people are more at risk of dying. The older people are more at risk of dying due to COVID-19. See friends, I am not saying that eating these natural foods can stop the infection from spreading. I am not saying that. Neither am I saying that this is some kind of a medicine that will work for you. But all I am saying is that it will further help to boost your immunity. And immunity is the best response, is the best remedy for this problem right now.
It's the best fence from all these infections.
All the scientist friends of KCR, remember just a week ago, this news was all over the English news dailies.
Yes.
The scientist friends of KCR were constantly telling us your immunity is the best response. And keeping India in mind with so much of population and such a scarcity of resources in terms of medical testing kits and the hospital beds, it is high time that we start taking the responsibility of our own health into our own hands. Why to get infected, or why to wait for these mild symptoms to appear and then go to the hospital? And then, you know, there is a competition for space again. There is a competition for even a doctor. We don't have enough doctors right now, enough testing kits. And chances are that there is somebody out there who is in a dire need of these resources than you. So you, if you are healthy and you are not suffering from any other disease condition, please stay at home, eat healthy and just take care of yourself.
I have a safe formula for this.
Oh,
Stay home, stay safe, save others' lives.
absolutely. This is the best service which we can do to our nation right now. And let me tell you why it is much more important. Before we close for this episode, let me just tell one more thing, Bharat, just like we were talking about symptomatic and asymptomatic patients. People who are healthy, who are in the healthy age bracket of 20 to 40 years of age, even if they are carrying the COVID-19 virus, the coronavirus, they may not produce any symptoms at all. And because they are not producing any symptoms, trust me, the medical authorities in India will not be testing them even if they want to get themselves tested and go to the hospital. And why are they not being tested? Because of lack of resources and lack of medical kits. So we can't blame the government, we can't blame the hospitals and the doctors also. And you might be carrying the virus, but because you feel you are absolutely fine, because you are not suffering from any symptoms, you may still go out and about and end up infecting somebody without your own knowledge.
Yeah.
So that is why COVID-19 disease right now is such a great pandemic, and it is becoming so difficult for the superpowers of the world.
Yeah.
The other nations apart from India also are not able to control this infection, including superpowers like USA and Italy. European Union is not able to control it. India is far behind as
Yes.
far as medical testing is concerned. Everybody knows that compared to the other nations, we are testing very less. So the biggest service which you can do to your nation right now is to stay at home whether you are showing symptoms or not.
Yes.
And make sure that you are not passing this infection on to anybody else.
Maintain social distancing.
Let's just join our hands together, Bharat,
Yes.
and appeal to everybody in Hyderabad to please stay home, stay
Stay safe.
safe, and eventually keep everybody else around you safe also.
That's really nice.
Closing lines from Mr. Bharat Raj.
We'll see you another Sunday Blast with more interesting information. We'll try to engage you more.
We'll get back with some more interesting entertainment scoop next week, Bharat. What say?
Yes.
Because-
Along with some politicians, political knowledge also.
Political scoop? Okay, so we are sorted for next Sunday Blast, but for now, keep enjoying your Sunday. Stay at home, catch up on some old Hollywood classic movies,
Keep
and
watching your favorite news channel.
stay with family. Have some great time with them, and have a Sunday Blast.